Hi everybody, my name is Steve and this is your Tuesday Tax Tip. If your pay has recently changed or you owed a bunch of taxes when you filed your return this past year and are concerned that you'll owe more coming up in April, the IRS has developed a Withholding Estimator tool on their website. Just go to IRS.gov and on the first page you'll see a link in the Tools and Applications for the Tax Withholding Estimator. Click here and on the next page, click the blue box that says Use the Tax Withholding Estimator. To use most efficiently, when you go here, you'll want to have ready a copy of your most recent tax return, your most recent pay stub or stubs, as well as your spouse's information if applicable. If you own a business, you want your year-to-date profit and loss information as well. The IRS did a good job with this tool, and in the end, it will give you its estimation of how much you may get refunded or you may owe. As a bonus, if you owe, it'll tell you how to fill out an updated W-4 to minimize or eliminate a balance due at the end of the year. Just keep that in mind, this is only an estimate and things can change. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button and click subscribe for more weekly content.